Support and resistance is one of the most popular and powerful trading strategy in the whole history of trading. Before the SMC, the order block, and the ICT. Support and resistance is not a stand-alone strategy because you can't find success trading support and resistance alone. And that's when the other confluences like break and retest and candlestick confirmations comes in. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys the best way to trade support and resistance strategy and how me and my students are making money every day using the support and resistance strategy. If you want to make anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 in a week or a month, then click on the link in the description box and join our mentorship program right now. Without further ado, guys, let's head straight to the main reason for this video. What is support and resistance? In the history of support and resistance, we are told to buy from the support and sell from the resistance. All right. So as you can see my screen here. This is a resistance here, and on here, this is a support. The green box here is the support, and the red box here is the resistance. So guys, we are told to buy from support just like this, and put our stop loss below the market structure. Buy from support just like this. Put our stop loss below the market structure. Buy from support just like this. Put our stop loss below the market structure just like this. All right, this is how we are told to trade support and resistance. Let me show you guys how you can sell from the resistance. All right, so right now we are told to sell from the resistance just like this. Put our stop loss above the market structure. Buy from resistance, sell from resistance just like this. Sell from resistance just like this, and also sell from resistance just like this. And what again? We still look to take another selling opportunity just like this. This is how we are told to sell from support and resistance. If you've been following my video for a while now, you should know that this is not the only support and resistance strategy we should be using as a trader that I use. All right, this is not the only support and resistance strategy that I use. So now let's go. Let me show you guys more about support and resistance, how you should be trading. All right, if you know about market structure, then you should understand these things here, right? Then look, the forex market moves in three ways. I've been singing this. The forex market moves in three ways: the bullish move, the bearish move. Let me change that color. The bearish move, then we have the sideways just like this. This is the three phase of the forex market, right? And whenever the market is on a bullish move, we will be having a series of higher highs and higher lows, right? We'll be having a series of higher highs and higher lows. What do I mean? You can see higher highs here, then we'll have higher lows. You see higher highs, we'll have higher lows. Higher highs, then we'll have a higher lows. So what about example of a bearish move? We'll be seeing a lower lows and a lower highs. The market will be giving us a lower lows and a lower highs. Lower lows and what? Lower highs, then lower lows around this level. You get lower lows around this level, just like that. You get, so this is the three phase of the forex market. We have the bullish phase, we have the consolidation phase around this level, then we have the bearish phase just like this. So as you can see from this example we have here, we have the market going to the upside, right? Giving us a series of what? Giving us a series of higher highs and higher lows. Let me drop it there. Let me drop higher highs here. I just want to make it clear to you guys and fast as possible to round this video up too, because I don't want to waste so much of your time. We have a higher highs and the higher lows, so I'm going to have to change that color real quick. So right now we have a higher highs and we have a higher lows. We have higher highs, we have higher lows. We have higher highs and we have higher lows. This level here is our resistance zones, right? What did the market do? The market broke our resistance zone, pull back, turn our resistance into a support. Then what do? We will just be looking to what? We will just be looking to buy in this type of situation. So if the market is on a bullish move, we are only allowed to buy, right? And if the market is on a bearish move, we are only allowed to sell. All right, now we have the break and retest. The market broke our support zone, our resistance zone, turned it into a support. You can see we look to buy, and now this is the recent support around this level. The market did what? The market broke our support, just like the pullback to retest, turn our resistance into a support. You can see this was the former resistance, and now we have the recent support here. Then we'll look to buy from here. Even if you can see this, example here. if you can see this example currently here, we have the recent resistance around this level. The market, and this is also a higher high, right? And the market broke our higher highs there, which is our structural high again. You can call it that. The market broke it just like this. So what do we expect? We should only expect a pullback for the market to pull back just like this to our POI and turn our resistance into a support. Then we can look to buy. Why do you see me mentioning buy? Because if the market is on a bullish move, we should be looking to buy. Do you understand? And if the market is on a bearish move, then we should be looking to sell. Now, let's take a look at this example right now. If you see what's going on here, we have the market moving down, giving us a series of lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. I'm going to have to write that real quick now to make everything clear to you guys, all right? So right now, we have a higher lows here. We have a lower lows there. Let me change it real quick. Lower lows, just like that. Lower lows here. Let me look for more lower highs. Then, as you can see here, guys, we have a lower lows, we have a lower highs. We have a lower lows, we have a lower highs. We have a lower lows and we have a lower highs. We have a lower lows, we have a lower highs. Now, the lower lows is our support. As you can see, the lower lows is our support around this level. If you extend to this level, what did the market do? The market broke our support zone. This is the recent support and turn our support into a resistance. Then we look to sell just like this. And as you can see here, this is another support zone. What did the market do? The market broke our lower lows, which is our support, pull back, turn it into a resistance. Then we look to sell. You get, this is how you should be trading the support and resistance. This is the best way to trade a support and resistance as a trader. If you can see something, let me show you guys something here real quick. If you can see now, we have a lower lows here around this level. What should we do in such situation? We must wait for the market to break our lower lows here, pull back, turn our support into a resistance, then we can look to sell. You can see at the upside, I drop resistance around this level. So guys, this is the best way to trade support and resistance. And as you can see here, I am not just trading the support and resistance alone. If you're just getting to know my YouTube channel, you see now that I don't trade only support and resistance. Because of what? You can see that it was a break and retest. A break and retest. Break and retest are also part of our confluence. So let me show you guys something on chart now. So as you can see here on this chart now, as you can see here. So guys, as you can see on this chart now, what do we have here? We have the market the market is on a bullish move, right? So what is the market giving us? The market is giving us a series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows around this level. All right, so what can we see here? We have a resistance zone here that was broken, turned into a support. Let me show you guys. Let me identify that to you guys and see how it works. So we have a resistance zone as at this level. The market pullback gave us a higher highs. Then the market broke our resistance zones, right? Pull back to retest just like this. And now the market has turned our resistance into a support. So what should we do as a trader? We should be looking to buy just like this. And our stop loss below, we should be looking to buy just like this. And you can see this is a whopping 1 to 5 risk to reward. Let's put it like this and see 1 to 6 to 1 to 7 risk to reward. Guys, this is the best way to trade support and resistance. Here now, let me show you guys an example of a bearish move. So now, this is an example of a bearish move. We have the market dropping. The market is on a bearish move. The market is moving downward. We are only allowed as a price action trader and as a trend trader, we are only allowed to look to what? To look to sell. So now guys, let this thing ring into your head. Now I say whenever the market is on a bullish move, we are only allowed to buy as a trend trader. All right. And whenever the market is on a bearish move, we are only allowed to sell as a trend trader. All right. So now, as you can see here, what do we have here? This is our recent support, right? So what did the market do? The market give us a lower lows here. Then we have this double top that made this market drop. The market broke our recent lower lows, which is our recent support. The market pulled back and turned our support into a resistance, which is very cool around that level. As you can see, we are only allowed to look to sell just like this. All right, put our stop loss above. Let me move this resistance. Put our stop loss above. Then boom, as you can see, this is 1 to 7 risk to reward. If you want to hop out here at the next key level, then this is 1 to 5. You want to 6 risk to reward, as you can see there. So guys, you can use this strategy to pass your valuation account just one trade. All right, a lot of my students have done that, and me myself, I have done that so also. So guys, after watching this video, you should know how to trade with the support and resistance strategy. All right, like I told you guys, support and resistance do not stand alone. It's not a stand-alone strategy. Don't trade support and resistance alone. You understand? You must wait for other confluences that comes together to form your support and resistance strategy. All right, and the confluences are break and retest, candlestick confirmation, trend confirmation. You can sometimes use a Fibonacci retracement. All right, in this my YouTube channel here, I am not here to hide anything, and I am not here to create content for content's sake because I want to be on YouTube. I am here to teach you guys, to tell you guys the raw truth of trading, to teach you guys how you should be trading, what you should be expecting from trading. So guys, just like I said, if you want me to mentor you, then you can click on the link in the description box and join our mentorship program. And if you want to contact me, send me a message on Telegram. Click on the link in the description box and you see where I dropped a link and I said send me a message on Telegram. Yeah, then you can send me a message and I will reply you quickly. All right, so guys, if you like this video, I want you to like, share, then comment, then turn on post notification to get notified whenever I drop a video. Peace.